Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to use Google Docs through the web browser. In this video, we will tell you about some of the important features of Google Docs. This is part 4 of the video. Without wasting a minute, let's get started. At last, we completed the video till insert the image, and this will see the alignment. These four options are for the line alignments. The first is left align. When we'll just select the whole document and we'll directly click on left align. The document has been already in left aligned automatically. So this is the left alignment. Now if we click on the center align, this is the example of central alignment. If we click on right align, this is the example. This is how it looks in right alignment. And if you just click on justify align, this is the way it looks in justify. Now moving on from this, we will also see the other option, which is line and paragraph spacing. So whenever you feel like you need some gap between the first and the second line, you can directly click on line and paragraph spacing. You can, from this option, you can select the width and the length you want, the gap, the measure of the gap that you want between the first and the second line. So I'll just choose 1.5 for now, and as you can see, the gap has automatically been increased. So as from this option, you can just set it all and directly do the line spacing on the text. Now the other option is checklist. This option is just for the checklists. If you are doing any budgeting or household chores or activities, you can use this option. Usually this option is not needed. After that, this is the bulletin option. Whenever you're making bullets, points or anything, you can directly click on it. It even had some of the sub bullet options, which are these. So in case you get bored of the bulletin options, you can also choose on these different varieties of options. After that, you can also do the numbering through the option besides the bulletin option. From here, as you click on the downward arrow, you can see some subcategories as well, and you can choose as you please from this option. Now, this is the last in this tab, the editing mode. Whenever you share a document, there are three types, either editing, suggesting, or viewing. So when you're writing on the document, this is the editing mode where you can make the changes in it. The suggesting mode you can turn on and you'll directly get some suggestions through the web browser. And when you turn on the viewing mode, you cannot edit or anything. You can just see the document. So that is all for today's video. Thank you for being with us till the end. If you liked the video or if the video helped you, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new informative video for you. Thank you.